Welcome back. Let's face it, the popularity of milk tea is not going to die anytime soon. In fact, there are many new brands that are coming out in the market today. Some have gone to $1 billion worth of business. So yes, we cannot discount the popularity of milk tea. So today I am going to share with you another recipe for Thai milk tea. If you haven't yet got the copy of my book, All Things Milk Tea, do check out the description box below for details on how to order. In this book, you will find recipes for 3 different cup sizes, perfect for those with bubble tea shops or cafes. So I have the recipes for 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces. So you don't have to guess what the recipes for each cup sizes are. Before we continue, click that subscribe button. Classic milk tea was popularized in Taiwan, but one of the most popular milk tea drinks these days would be Thai milk tea. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. But not just your ordinary Thai milk tea. I have shared with you previous videos on how to make Thai milk tea, Thai jasmine green milk tea. Check out the link above if you haven't yet seen those videos. Now, this recipe today will be Thai milk tea, but in a different concept. We are going to use coconut milk as base, or coconut juice as base. So I call this coconut Thai tea cloud. For the ingredients, I'm going to use my strong blend of Thai tea. If you have these brands as well, like Chatramu, they have 2 different types. One is in red and the other one is gold. I also did a comparison on this too. Check out the link above. But for today, I'm going to use my blend. It's stronger and it's perfect for this drink that I'm going to show you today. We need a very strong brew. We will also need coconut water. You can get a ready-made coconut water or you can make your own coconut water using syrup. So what I have here is young coconut syrup, and I have here 150 ml of water. So this is what I'm going to use for my base, which is coconut water. So I'm just going to show you that right now. And this is instantly coconut water, which is as delicious as the ones that you would get commercially. Then I am going to use cream because this is going to be cloud. You'd like to put it on top of your drink. So there's a cloud Thai tea, and we are going to need a very strong brew of Thai tea. For this, I am going to use this espresso machine to brew my strong Thai tea. So what I need would be 2 scoops of Thai tea into a double basket filter. Using the espresso machine, first, let your tea steep for about 1 second. So just let some water flow into your filter basket and wait for about 20 to 30 seconds. This is to make sure that you get a strong brew. And then pull the remaining shots, which would be a total of 60 ml or 2 ounces. So imagine about 15 grams of Thai tea into this 60 ml of brewed Thai tea. Very strong indeed. First, let's make our Thai tea cloud. I'm going to use 60 ml of my cream and the same amount of my strong brewed tea, 60 ml. And what we're going to do with this is we are going to froth and turn this into cloud. So make sure you use 1:1, otherwise you won't get this beautiful dark orange color. Into your cup of ice, we are now going to fill this with our coconut water. And now we're going to pour the cloud into our cup of coconut water. And this is your Thai tea cloud coconut. The batch of the cloud that I made here, 60 ml to 60 ml, is not yet finished. So you can make 2 cups of 16 ounces with this single batch. And now it's the moment of truth. I am going to give this a try. Now this is the perfectly Thai tea color, which is orangey and creamy because of the cream that we added in that cloud. So it is time to taste. The balance of the Thai tea with the coconut in this one is perfect. I could taste the Thai tea, I could taste the coconut. So I would urge you to give this recipe a try. And if you're looking for something new to offer in the coming months, especially for when the season picks up, like the holiday season's coming soon, you can add this to your menu. Thai tea cloud coconut. That's all I would like to share with you today. I hope that this video clip is useful and that you are inspired to continue working towards a more popular bubble tea sensation all over the world. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.